Hey, doing another quick review, this time on these Wahl Cordless clippers. Cannot say enough good things about these. I've had these for over a year now. We do cut our own hair, so it's awesome. I've dealt so many years with a corded clippers. There's, in my opinion, a pain. So finally made a switch to a cordless pair. Oh my God, I'm so glad we did. It got a nice grip to them, fit in the hand really nice. It's got an easy switch to use, on, off. It's really easy to use. It's got the half-inch adjustment on it as well. So also nice for, especially for fading. The charger port is on the bottom there. It comes with this little charger cord. So literally it's just, if I can find it, just push it in there. Your USB in goes to pretty much any cell phone charger head that takes USB, regular USB. So easy to charge up. As far as length of battery time, we probably do, I don't know, 4 to 6 haircuts roughly before we charge it back up. But I also use this for my face. If my facial hair gets too long, then I'll use it on my face. I trim my beard with it as well. So it does last a while. I'm not complaining about battery life at all. I've never ran out during a haircut. So we've really liked these things. It's been, oh my God, these things have paid 100 times over for themselves with haircuts we do by ourselves. So if you're on the fence, Wahl, I mean, the name speaks for itself, but these specifically, there's wireless. They're awesome. It's not overcomplicated. They're easy to use, a little bit of oil on them here and there. They stay sharp, never had a pinch. Not myself, my son, anyone we've cut hair with. So all good. Love these things. If you're looking to buy, we would definitely recommend. Hopefully this video has helped you make your mind up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.